Bottom crack. Right off. Right in the rim. Right off.
Where you get that at?
Upon farmers on me buy. Burn it. Burn it. Wet up my clothes. Everything. Busted.
Here's the pot. It's got water in it. This is the little whistle device. Yeah. Boom. Goes on that quick. Turn it on. And as you can see, my dumb ass, my back is to the kitchen when I'm boiling the water. So it's bad enough, you know. I turned the TV down thinking I would hear the water, but I don't. So now this will be good. And when we come back, we'll find out what it sounds like.
We just got the kettle pot. We like it because the last one we had was like cast iron and it would like be rusting and such, but you know, this one's going to be good because we're going to be making the tea. My fiance, she loves her tea, and yeah, I recommend it. I recommend it. It has the nice good whistling top at the top. It's easy to take off. If you look at the top here, got the easy pop top to take off. And it's easy to hold. You know, you won't be burning yourself. And it's good to go.
Totally easy to use and no metal taste in your water. And look how easy it is to open. Just grab it this way and pop it. Of course, you don't have to do it this dramatic, but I'm using one hand to hold the phone, so I can't control it as well. There you go. Done.
I absolutely love my whistler. Listen to it. How awesome is that? I definitely recommend this 100%. 10 thumbs up.